TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as we're lower, but we're definitely off those intraday lows. Looking at NASDAQ right now, off 43 points, trading at 65.80. Dow Jones off only 38 points, trading at 23,119, and S&P's off 5 points, trading at 25.55. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. We'll start things off with the S&P 500. So we were about 9 points lower, bouncing around at 25, almost 45 on 3 different occasions, whether it was 4 a.m. overnight, 7 a.m. pre-market, and then about 10 a.m., half hour after that opening bell, gotten a little bit of boost off those intraday lows, currently 25.54. NASDAQ 100, somewhat similar action, currently trading 6,074. Gold contract getting a little bit of a bid off the overnight lows. 2 a.m. was down below 1280, currently trading 1289.74 in the December gold contract. Crude oil currently trading at 51.61. And natural gas. We had EIA inventories of natural gas at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. Natural gas, we saw a surplus of 51 billion cubic feet. Median estimate was around 53, so coming in somewhat in line. We're at about 285 during right before those EIA inventory numbers broke. Saw a little bit of weakness as we cascaded to about 278 and then rebounding from there. Natural gas 283.35 currently. Other news we had this morning, jobless claims coming in at 222,000, lowest level in more than 44 years, pointing to a rebound in job growth. Checking in on some of the equities that have some action. How about Adobe? So they came out last night guiding up in the next future quarter, looking like they are going to look to earnings of about $5.50 per share they're guiding to, with about 8.7 in sales, and analysts had expected about 521. Either way, market liking that action, up about 11%, more than 11%, or $17.23, trading at $170.20. On the flip side of that, you've got Apple, and they're coming out. Reports are that they are cutting suppliers, talking about iPhone 8 disappointing sales. Apple down 2.75% or $4.40, trading at $155.36. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Then, of course, Dave White at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. And Andy Hecht rounds out the afternoon with the Commodities Hour live from 5 till 6 Eastern. I'll talk to you next hour for Top of the Hour update at TFNN.com.